What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, SP Racing. You guys are not gonna believe what I bought. No, not that. So yeah, I bought another 2002 SI Veloz. I was lucky to find this one. I always look on Marketplace and I found it. So it's got a little bit of damage on the rear bumper there. I also got a dent in the side, which should be easy to pull. And the front bumper is damaged, but the skirt package is intact. Let's take a look inside. So this is the original Veloz as well. So I'd always tell you guys about the carbon fiber stuff that came with it. So this is it. It's still on this car. Goes around there, around the vents, around this vent too. Let me show you guys something else. The car's only got 60,000 on it. It was from one owner. Unfortunately, the man passed away. He was 93 years old, and he was an alcoholic. So apparently, he just drove this car like once a week, just up to this up to the store. So yeah, it's only got 60,000 kilometers. It's got the owner's manual. Check these mats out, guys, because the guy had the mat, these rubber mats on the whole time. These things got no sun, so they're so clean. Original Veloz embroidered mat. Compared to my mat, this one's like way more dark. I guess because the one in my other car has seen the sun a lot. So this one is automatic. Not a big deal. I'm gonna manual swap it for sure. But even look at like this thing on my other car there is all worn down. I'll show you guys in a sec, but look, these ones are like pristine. Even these, like, the panels have never been popped off ever. You know, usually you'd see the little screwdriver marks on these when people pick them off, but I don't think the door cards have ever been off. The headliner is mint. It does smell a little funky in here, but I'll clean it out. This one is mint as well. The original stereo. It's got a little gunk up here, but it's just the guy had his dash cam there, so it's kind of sticky. I'm pretty sure I could just steam that off. I'll get it off. But yeah, it was a super cool find. I'm fortunate to get it. Like only 60,000. That's amazing. I'm gonna have to swap the cluster too to a manual one. I'll have to get the clutch assembly, clutch pedal, brake, the master, all that good stuff. One thing I noticed is this side skirt. It sits in a track, a metal track. There's like, it sits on a metal track anyways, but this one definitely is out of the track. I can see it. So maybe he hit some snow and it kind of lifted out or something like that, but I'm gonna have to take the side skirt off and get it back in the track. That shouldn't be a problem. Let me show you guys the beautiful D17. Alright, still got the original rims, the 4-bolt. We're gonna swap that. Look, this is supposed to be removed from, like, these are probably still there from the factory, those things. One thing I had to do already is swap the battery out. The battery was dead because the car was sitting for a while. But yeah, we're definitely going to pull this out. I'm going to go with another K24. Yeah, I know you guys were curious, you know, you kind of wanted me to do like a B series swap in this or the V6 one, but I'm sticking with my K. I love my K. So we'll throw the K in here. But yeah, it just needs like a little bit of work. I'm gonna let me show you. Actually, I have a bumper in my backyard. Hey Vinny. I have all these parts too from my my old build, so I could 5-bolt swap it right away. I'll just have to clean these up, you know, get new bushings and all of these. This is Callie. Hi Callie. And Vinny. And there's the bumper. So I'll just throw this bumper on. This one has the skirt package on it as well. It's a little damaged at the bottom, but I'm sure someone can fix it up. So we'll put that bumper on. I'll throw that bumper on. Should be no big deal. Get some new headlights on, just like my other car. Let's go look at my other car. So yeah, look how faded mine is in here. And you know, I took the carbon fiber off on this one because it was kind of picking off anyway, so I just pulled it. Here's my mats. They're definitely not as black as those other mats. But yeah, I'm gonna build a twin. I might throw the same steering wheel. These are RSX seats. We'll probably, I don't know, I want to get Recaros, but obviously they're crazy expensive, but we'll see. A cutie shifter, we'll manual swap that one, and then I'll have some twins. Let me show you my motor. Let's look at the difference. So yeah, hopefully this guy, same setup, will be in my other car. Just my new one, I'm gonna do it way better. Like, you know, I didn't get the tranny and the motor all like nice, clean, nice, so they look brand new. But this guy, I'll probably do that too. Take my time with it, get the motor out, clean the engine bay all mint, send the tranny off and the motor off to get like cleaned and finished, look like new. You know, a whole bunch of parts on this swap were used parts, like even that power steering's used. Most parts in here I got used, but on my next build, on that one, I'm gonna take my time and get all brand new stuff. Change the brake master. There's a lot. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of, before I do the big swap, there's a bunch of stuff I can do. Like I can do the 5-bolt conversion. I can put some bigger brakes on there. Do the brake master. You can put new seats in there. I can take it to get tinted and get a new steering wheel, new headlights. But yeah, so I guess next up I'm gonna get the car all cleaned up. We'll get this new bumper on. Another good thing about this is I already have coils I can put on this. In my shed I have K-tuned, pretty much brand new control arms that'll go on this already. I have the K-tuned tie rods with inverted ends. So I have a bunch I can do. I can 5-bolt swap it, I can lower it. A whole bunch I can do before the swap. So, because to be honest, the swap's gonna take me a minute. It took me like over a year of saving parts with this guy, with this car, to do the swap. So this one's gonna take me a while to get done as well. But like I said, there's a bunch of little things I can do that I already have to pick away at it. and save the pricier things for last. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe if you want to follow this journey. I'm going to document everything, the whole swap. I'll do the swap right in my driveway if I have to. We'll get her done. Get a twin for my other car.